Nestled along the serene shores of a coastal lagoon in East Hampton, New York, Georgica Close stands as a thoughtful response to memory and place. The original house on this site, a modernist design from the 1960s by a disciple of Marcel Breuer, was lost to the storm surge of Hurricane Sandy. Faced with this loss, the clients sought to rebuild not merely a shelter, but a home that could rekindle the emotional ties they held with the landscape and history of the property. In approaching this commission, Bates Masi Architects anchored the design in a careful study of the qualities that defined the former structure: simplicity, structural honesty, and an embrace of contemporary technologies. This translated into a steel frame supporting a roof composed entirely of cross-laminated timber panels, a system that allows for generous, uninterrupted spans while imparting warmth when left exposed. The panels were prefabricated with integrated lighting recesses and skylights, and assembled on site much like a carefully crafted kit of parts. This architectural honesty extends to the home's detailing. Steel columns are deliberately revealed within the walls to articulate the underlying structure. Custom cabinets made from bamboo plywood echo the lamination of the roof at a human scale, with grain direction and eased edges thoughtfully considered. Additional materials, such as expansive cypress boards and a burnished bronze fireplace, further enrich the tactile and visual qualities of the interior. Responding to updated flood zone requirements, the residence is elevated above its original level. Approached from land, a series of terraces gently transitions to the raised main volume. On the water side, the foundation is pushed into shadow, causing the house to appear to float above the landscape. Within, clear spatial axis guide views outward toward the water, forging a continuous connection between interior spaces and the surrounding natural environment. What emerges is a home that acknowledges both its past and its present, one that reflects the client's deep sense of place while accommodating contemporary living. Through material precision and spatial clarity, Georgica Close becomes more than a rebuilt house. It becomes a living continuation of its predecessor, reinforcing the landscape's presence in daily life and restoring a sense of belonging for those who dwell within.